How to make your man or your woman miss you in a relationship. How to make your man go crazy about you in a relationship and marriage, because this advice is both for marriage and the relationship. One, do not always be available. When you are in a relationship with a lady or a guy, not every time they call you, you will always tell them, yes, we are available, you are coming. Sometimes give them space to miss you. If they call you on phone, do not call them back immediately. It will notify them that you do not have anything important with your life to do. Not every time they call you to come around, you will tell them okay. Sometimes you tell them you are busy, that you cannot come this time. Maybe next time you will plan to come. So always have something meaningful with your life to do. Not every time they call you, you are there. Not every time they text you, you are there. You are always available. You are always online to reply them. Number two, not every time your woman tells you something, you will always reply them with yes, that you're going to do it. Sometimes tell them no to see how they are going to react. Real men say no without guilt. If a woman tell you to do something for her, and you know that you cannot afford that thing at that moment, tell her no. Tell her please, and always use a very calm voice. Tell her please, I cannot do this kind of a thing now, maybe later. So always learn how to say no to a woman without feeling any guilt. So sometimes you can also tell her, I have the money, but for this thing that you are saying right now, I don't think we can do it now. So maybe later. Third one, always learn how to set boundaries as a man in a relationship. So always set boundaries in that relationship. It's going to help you a lot. It's going to make that relationship to work, to last longer. You guys have to set some boundaries. Maybe you tell him you cannot do this kind of a thing without letting me know. Number three, being the man every woman wants. Be a man that attracts every woman with your confidence, with your look, with the way you speak, your mature thinking, your matured mind. Yes. Because when you are confident of yourself, when you know what you want, when you focus on your life, on your goals, you will attract a lot of women around you. Even when you are not freaking around with them, even when you are not a woman rapper, but when you are confident, when you are a man of your word, a man that always, oh yeah, it's okay, sorry. So the next advice I will tell you is this: do not chase all your female friends away because you're in a relationship, but always set boundaries. Number four, as a guy, always make sure to look good. It's not a must that you will buy the most expensive clothes. We have other clothes that like affordable clothes that you can get in the market. Always make sure to look good, smell nice, cut your hair, cut your nails. Always look neat. It also attracts women. It also make women to go crazy about you. When you look good, smell nice. When somebody come across you, like they are not going to they're not going to forget about how your smell, the way you look, how you look so presentable, how you look so neat from head to toe. Guys, this make women to go crazy about you. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me, share this video, and like for more. Bye.